Hey, what's up, everybody? Mark Price here at devslopes.com, and welcome to the wide world of Unity 3D game development. We're going to start off today by downloading and installing Unity 3D. And so as you can see here, unity3d.com is the website you want to go to. And let's talk about a few things. Most importantly, is Unity free? Yes, it is absolutely free. The pricing model on Unity is absolutely amazing, okay? And that's for the personal edition here. So if we scroll down here, you can learn about all the different features of Unity, what comes with it, okay? Links to how to learn, case studies on Unity, why you should use it. But you're taking this course, you're already here. So let's dive in over here to the pricing, okay? Free, no credit card required. Download now. What's really cool about the free version is that it pretty much has most everything that you need to build games. Some of the big things are, can I publish a game? And yes, you can. You can publish a game on the free version, but they will have the Unity 3D logo splash screen on your games. And here's a few frequently asked questions. As long as you have an annual revenue capacity or funds raised capacity of less than $100,000 per fiscal year, you can create with personal. So if you haven't made more than $100,000 in a year for your company that's making games, okay, you can use Unity for free. Does Unity take royalties? Unity is royalty free. We don't charge on a per title basis or require a revenue share model. Okay, and the reason why is because they have a monthly subscription model if you're making more than $100,000 a year. So pretty cool stuff, right? So let's go ahead and download now. And it's installed the download assistant. And the process is very similar for PC. I'm just following the steps and mindlessly agreeing to these terms of services here. And this is currently Unity 5.4.1 F1. And they've got documentation and standard assets. They've also got example projects. And they also have support for iOS, tvOS, and other platforms as well. For right now, let's just go ahead and install the standard assets that it comes with, documentation and Unity itself. It'll ask you for your password if you're on Mac. And I'm going to select the Macintosh hard drive, and we're going to install it now. Okay, we have finished downloading here. The installation was successful, and in my case, it popped up a window here showing Mono Develop icon and Unity 3D icon. So I'm going to go ahead and close this window here, and I'm going to personally drag the Unity icon over here and the Mono icon over here just so I can have them here on my dock. Cool. I'll close out of this, and I'm going to right-click to eject the Unity Download Assistant and double-click the Unity icon to load Unity and make sure everything worked as it was supposed to. Okay, if you don't have a Unity account, you're going to want to get one. They are free, and here's the reason why. Because one is they'll sync some things offline and offline for you, like project files and things like that. But more importantly, if you buy assets from the Unity Asset Store, you're going to want to be able to have access to those through your account. So it's important to create an account if you don't have one already. I do have one, so I'm going to go ahead and enter mine now. And I've signed in, and here we are looking good. So projects, standard assets, example project, or getting started. We can go ahead and open up the standard assets example project. Okay, click continue. Oh, I see. Okay, so you're going to see a window like this. Now, mine has a standard assets example project, and yours may not, and that's because I previously had Unity on here and had that project on there. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and click plus new to create a new project here. and you can just give it any name you want. We'll just call this test project. Just to make sure everything is where it needs to be, you can set an organization name. You can set it as a 3D game or 2D game. This is all looking great here. Creating the project. Fantastic. So Unity 3D is now officially installed and it's running here on the screen. If you are loading it for the first time, like we are in this case here, it may take a while to load. These things have never been loaded in memory before, and it can take some time, but nothing to worry about. Just give it a moment to think. I am currently working on an iMac, 27-inch iMac, the most upgraded iMac you can purchase, and it's still taking a little bit of time. So just know that you may have to deal with that, and you definitely want to work with computers that have some type of graphical chip besides the hardware-based ones that come in some laptops. You know, you'll want some type of Intel powered or AMD powered processor. AMD processor, and then that has also a graphics card. Is what I meant to say, like an NVIDIA graphics card or Radeon of some kind. So that's it. Installed. You are ready to rock and roll.